In this video, we're going to look on true power of Google AI Studio. I know it's maybe sound boring, but trust me, to the end you will say, why nobody else told me about this? And wow, I can use it in so many fields, because it is not just some simple AI, it's more. If you're going in like build area where you can build your application or snippets, you can actually create your assistants for daily tasks, assistants that help you to go through all this data, everything, and create anything from creating images to creating video games, anything you want to do. Well, I'll show you some of my examples, what I was doing, and trust me, you'll be surprised some of them what it can create. Well, to access this, you can go to aistudiogoogle.com and click on a build. Right here, you can start a build with Gemini. But don't get scared. It's not like build application or anything. You just express your ideas, and this is creating the snippets that you can come back and reuse over and over. Well, let me show you what I'm saying about this. Let's go to my applications that I built already. And you can see a lot of different apps. Let's start with one that you unlikely you expect to see there. AI Flight Finder. What is this? Well, let me start it. I went on a website. I want to find a plane to fly from one area to another, and I go start looking, and Google have this, and do you know they actually, all these flight finders, cheaper tickets finder, many of them run by one company, and when you go search, they try to promote the different pricing. So I'm like, I don't like this, because they actually have cookies that tracking you and will give you price based where you come from. So this is I come and says built for me applications that anonymizing. It's find the best prices on the flight tickets. Yes, it's actual applications. We'll go through tons of different websites here and find for me. So it's all what it does created. It's where I'm flying from, where I'm flying to. Then I can say how many passengers, any preferred airlines. Look on this. I did not code anything. This is I just specify, and it's by itself. Studio AI Studio did code all of this, put it all these names, everything. So it says any airline right here where I'm leaving. Let's go change where I'm arriving. Example, anytime, find flight. What it does now, going online, go through all of these different things. It's anonymizing, so it does not know it's me or tracking cookies. Find the best price for me here. And as I specify, it's showing me what line I can book. But look, best of all, I even says, put it flexible grid. So it's showing me date when it's best to fly in and out to all airline, not just one airline, whole. And here is the find cheapest, all information of where to do. Wow. I mean, it did everything for me. I don't need a search. I can just go click and book. Best of all, if I like these applications, I can share with my friends. They can use it, these applications. Well, it's a cool travel assistant. Well, let's go ahead. Look on something else that everyone going around. It is image generation. Yes, we like it. We like to play around. But I found out, like, for example, Nana Banana did great job, but it's missing some of the basic, like in painting, out painting. So I go right here and I says, hey, you know what? Let's create Nana Banana image generation where I can also specify what style I want it, where I can create different image adjustments in painting in this image, out painting. I can increase in size, do all fancy stuff, upscale, whatever I want to do, I can do here. And that is work for me. So this is an unbelievable tool. Same for the editor. You don't have Photoshop, just create one in here and it will work. Well, if you don't want image, you want video, you can also do video here. For example, I have it my start frame, end frame, and it's used VIVO. Applied all the process and can create for me full video inside here. Well, if you're more in like I do YouTube and other things, this is unbelievable tool, because usually you pay a lot of money if you want professional vidIQ or YouTube buddy going and check for you. This is actually built tool. It's better. Yeah, let me show you. So right here, YouTube analyzer. Well, for example, I have a video, I want to put it in. So right there, you can see it's have a video URL. We'll copy paste. Channel optional. Let's go to add Geekatplay, my channel. And let's go click on this. And what it did, it's took this video, it's analyzed, it's tell the best titles for this, what created thumbnail, SEO description, chapters, hashtags for that video. I mean, for the creators, it's unbelievable. You know, if you don't want just the one video, you can do for whole channel. For example, right here I have it my channel, and it's a viral video. So what it actually does, it's have it full analysis of my channel, tell me how is my channel perform, everything, and give it some. Or you may be looking for your next job. So right here, just for fun, created golden job hunter. Paste your first and last name, your goals, fill up information, and there you go. It's gone through all of this. It's fine for you all the jobs that you like it, prefer your salary range, whatever. After this, you need to go ahead and click, select what you wanted, and says, hey, create materials for your job. So it will be adjusting properly your resume, cover letter, everything for your job. In a way, it will pick up from the crowd. The problem right now with a lot of job finding, it is AI will search through the resumes, and you need another AI to sneak to another AI. I know it's kind of silly, but it's what it does. And look right here. So I put a Joe Doe name right here. You can see all of this tailored resume, cover letter. You just ready copy and paste and submit. I mean, totally tailored. So this is one of them. You can also audit all YouTube channel. You can audit your website. Well, let me go through some of them and showing, and I will go a little bit faster now, so don't take that, but hopefully give you some ideas. Okay, image processing, we have it. We have a thumbnail generated because do YouTube much easier to generate my thumbnails with my image. You saw already editors. Here's a stylizer. So I can put it image and says, hey, put it from one style to another, just like 3D, whatever you want to do. Kind of fun, one toy to create it. This is character video generator. This is for the consistency. If you have it one photo, you can upload it and says, hey, create this character from different poses for me so I can use it future in my videos. So this is, for example, create this. There you go, create a video generator. You can have it SiteScope. This is another cool tool. It says, hey, put it your website, and it's going through your website. It's analyze the performance SEO, analyze also the thread. If you have a vulnerability on your website, this is you actually need to pay money, good money for other ones to do. Here AI will do for you all of this, and it's free. You can build by yourself and tailor it just specifically for your website. Next, SEO Copilot. We have it Flight Finder. We found the LoRA. If you with configure or other things, sometimes you may find I need to create this LoRA images. And I do sometimes from videos, like for example, one of my project, I'll take very old film cartoons, and I want to extract frames to train LoRA on that style. Instead for me going and single out right here, I just uploading this video. I click what model I want trained for, what resolution image, name it, done deal. It's create assets for me, fully downloadable assets, images and a text that I can use it and train my own LoRA. Easy. For this you need to create a huge workflow. Here's performing everything. Okay, and plus it's performing on the computer, so it does not utilize power or GPU of your computers. It's run on the servers. Well, here's we saw some other analysis, music, video, descriptor. I just like to create AI music, but sometimes I need description, so I can put it MP3 or other ones. It's analyze this audio and tell, hey, this is music in this style, and tell me what it is. So I kind of learning about this. Well, we also have it another descriptor and more stuff to create. But it's not all work. You can also create a great entertainment. For example, I don't know how old are you, but I used to play this, text games, and I says, hey, let's build one of this old text game, and it's built for me. So you can go right here, and you can go left, right, you can skip. So let's go here. Vlad, we call Vlad. Let's create new game. And right here, you can see I can go and welcome Vlad, and I can walk around the lab. It's like all this, singular video games. Or if you want a little bit better, right here, you maybe saw my video. I created this Demolition Derby game, which is actually can play online with network people. Yes, you can deploy this game. You can do share with other people. This is actually quite a bit sophisticated game. Very, very cool game. The point is, when I put this out, people start playing a lot. So it's actually come up because I need to pay for this, and it was free, and I'm like, nope, I'm putting down this. But yes, that is a great game you can play. I'm playing by myself all the time. This one, Demolition Derby. Another one's Last Starfighter. I was watching a movie, if you remember this, the Last Starfighter, and I saw he was playing this game on arcade. I'm like, let's build this game. Yes, it's actually build that game for me, the way I can go around and I can shoot them, like exactly the same like in other games. There you go. Or if you want it, you can, okay, if you like more table, here you go, D&D character. Let me show you this one. And yes, I'm geek. Well, Geekatplay tell you kind of about this, and I do play D&D sometimes, but let's look right here. I want to play D&D. I want to have a character. So let's go say dwarf. I want dwarf. I want healer. I know dwarfs not good healers, but okay, there. Male. So I just fill up, click generate character. And here go, create for me with all stats. By the way, it's a squeeze because I squeezed the screen a little bit, but create full stats, create the character look, all description, everything, and can save as PDF so you can play with your buddies, even on this level. And you not just restrict to these ideas. Are you programmer daily to daily? You can create easy converter from one language to another. Yes, it can take your code and adjust and convert to another platform if you need it. It can run analysis. It can create full website output, video games, card games. I mean, I created so big variety here, and the best of all, it is like small application snippets, so you can come back and reuse them over and over. It is a digital assistant. I'm really surprised this does not got so popular, because I compare this to other services like, for example, Manus, and I used this one for some time. Actually, you can see I build a lot of stuff with this, but you know what? Manus is claimed to be ultra agent, but not even come closer with what the Google Studio can do. So hopefully this will kind of open for you a field to create. But before we're done, let me show you. Let's create something together, because all of this was Word, but I want to show you specifically what we're going to create, how it's created, how it's generated. This is not pre-done. I'll just do from now. And if you needed kind of ideas, you can always go on Showcase, and here they will show you what you can do, kind of ideas. For me, let's do this way. Let's describe. For example, I think, let's create applications that will analyze day-to-day weather and tell me what I should wear. And we can have a calendar, so I can select date, and it's a prediction. Yeah, I think that's good. When you travel, you want to know what clothes take with you. Let's do this way. Okay, so I took a little bit time to type, but I want to explain what is going on here. It says create applications, then open a calendar where you can select any future dates for my planned travel. Well, because maybe we're going around. Once date is chosen, the interface must display a drop-down with available countries, follow the areas, cities, all this. So it provide lists. I don't provide lists to these things. After I select destinations, the application should automatically go online, retrieve historical weather data for the locations, focusing on the choosing time of the year, covering many years of history provide. So it's a get this analytic. This is important for me to specify. Be sure when you do, you kind of define, but don't worry if you miss something, because you always can come back and adjust later as you're going with this. So it's here how I should dress, the advice should generic. So it's just describe. After when we're done, let's click build. It's all what we need to do. Now, see what application does. First, it is analyzing what it needs to do, and move us to the screen where you can see pre-built code and pre-built actual application itself. Okay, at this time, we're going to the screen. You can see it's actually building files right there. HTML, if you're a programmer, you kind of can see this, but it is actually build the code. AI by itself is generating code. On the side, we can see descriptions here running. If we have any errors up here, and you do sometimes create errors, the application actually will go and check for the errors and self-fix them. So you don't need no coding at all, zero coding, and it's create this beautiful page. And it's literally take a couple minutes, it's done. Yes, it's great. Okay, well, let's say, what if I'm going on October 30th? Okay, let's go select. I never test before. You with me? We're testing for the first time. Let's go to Brazil. City, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so it's analyzing with weather data. Okay, we have our weather data here. Oh, wow, look at that. It's telling me what average Celsius Fahrenheit. Very smart. I did not specify, but it's already give me indifferent high humidity. There you go. Park recommendation. I mean, it's awesome. Look on that. It's actually tell me what to bring for this time, food, weather, every accessories, overall advice. I mean, come on. If you have a travel channel, if you build your own travel assistance website for traveling, this will be gold mine there. I mean, when people before travel can go and says, hey, I want to find what I want to do. I'm traveling this time, that area, what I should bring with you. There you go. I'm sure if I can go right here and it says, you know what? With me, let's do this way. I like make YouTube travel videos. Add section for what equipment I should bring with me in this country, area, and time of the year. Okay. Hey, let's add details, but this is, you'll see what's happening. So right here, I added, and this is best part because you're not done. You can evolve, you can generate, you can go back. So if we're done, let's create here. By the way, you can add files if you already have it, some other like images reference or something to your design or sketches for your design. You can actually add here, and it will design in a way you want to see. Okay, let's see what's going on. Right there, you can see I add, it start thinking, it's define for its own project, what it need to do. It's AI like speaking with itself. Okay, I need to do this and this. So it's one portion, it's like project manager that says what need to be done. You have a bunch of teeny tiny programmers and see right here, it's actually done. Whoa, okay, let's go again. Let's go 30th. Let's go, which country we go? Let's go to Egypt. Cairo, right there, analyzing. Okay, done. Let's see what added. This we already saw, historical weather. It's telling me what to wear. Cotton, linen, yeah, it makes sense in Egypt. Accessories. Look, it's add vlogging. That's what I ask. Mirrorless camera, zoom. It's perfect. It also have it even advised when vlogging cargo, prioritize hydration and sun protection due to insects. Wow. I mean, seriously, this is incredible. So you can also just add, maybe drop down. What is the reason for your visit? A business, a pleasure, a travel, vlogging. Maybe we should do this. And based on this, it can add more information. I mean, this is incredible. So after when you're done, be sure you just click right here. This is important to save your application. If you don't save it, it will let you know. It says, hey, you save this application. You can also download it and host it on your own site if you want it. Or you can also go right here and deploy this application on their own server so other people can access. This is just by itself. You can create full generated website like traveler website, charge money, have your own business to create this, and you see how easy and fast it was created. And yes, full code right here, you can download it all code. So for those who is programmers and geeks, you have it all source code. They can you look, modify, and yeah, you can look also here if you want. You can click on a code and see right here, this is all of this code. That's what was created. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this helpful. If you like it, please put like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.